Here's the question. How do I remove a review that I wrote on a business's Google My Business, or what is now called a Google Business Profile? I'm going to show you where those reviews are, and then I'll show you how to edit and or remove them. I did a Google search for Action Coach Winston-Salem. Here's the company right here. If I click on the 24 Google reviews, you'll see that right there, 3 minutes ago, I updated mine, and you can see the review I did for them. However, from this view, all I have the ability to do is edit. I do not have the ability to delete it. Only edit it, whatever I want. So how do you edit it is fine. You can do that there, but how do you remove it? You remove it from Google Maps. Let me show you what I'm talking about. If I go to Google Maps, and I'm going to click on the 3 bars right here. I'm in Google Maps is where I am. And I click on the 3 lines. Come down here to your contributions. Click on that. And the contributions I have are reviews, photos, or edits. I'm going to click on reviews. Under reviews, you can see I've done 9 reviews. And here is the Action Coach review. And you can see what I did. And I updated it 3 minutes ago. Now, from Google Maps, I click on these 3 dots to the right of the business, and I have the ability to edit it, delete it, or add a photo. So bottom line, the only way you can delete a Google review that you added to someone's business is to go to Google Maps. Again, click on the 3 lines, your contributions, and look at reviews. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.